Hi guys, welcome again with the Ngabo Band. Turagarutse tuze kubaririmbira indirimbo mu Kinyarwanda. Bano ntago bavuga Ikinyarwanda ariko barimo bariga bagakoresha amagambo amwe mu ndirimbo bakagenda biga. Iyo dutangiye batangira kwayura. Noneho uno munsi mwatubwiye kubaririmbira indirimbo ivuga ngo imitima ikeneye urukundo nyakuri. Ni koko abantu bakeneye urukundo nyakuri. Nayanditse ku rubaho kugira ngo bagende basoma, ariko iyo bayiririmbye rimwe uyu munsi ukarangira biba byamaze kwinjira. Nibisobanuro mba nabibabwiye. Bisobanuro ntago byandika, nyandika gusa mu Kinyarwanda kugira ngo basome nkanayibasobanurira. Tukamara nk'isaha turi kwiga cyangwa iminota mikeya, noneho tukaza ku recording. Murakoze cyane. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for the follow and the encouragement you guys are giving us. God bless you. We are going to enter with the translation. Mugira umutima ubabarira. What does it mean?
Have a heart that forgives.
Have a heart that forgives. Yeah, a forgiving heart. Uhoraho azabishimira.
For the Lord will be very pleased with you.
Abaca imanza, guca imanza. What is guca imanza? To judge. Abaca imanza ntibababarire.
Those who judge
ntibababarire
and don't
forgive. Ntibafite kamere y'Imana.
Don't have the nature of God.
What is the nature in my language? Nature.
Kamere.
What is God in my language?
Imana.
Kuko Imana ihorana urukundo. Because
the Lord,
not the Lord, Imana.
Because God
ihorana urukundo.
Is
loving. He has love always. Is always loving. Imbabazi no kugira neza.
And patient.
Imbabazi, remember kubabarira. What is kubabarira? To forgive. Imana ihorana urukundo, imbabazi, forgiving no kugira neza.
And doing good.
Good or being good, okay? Being kind. Okay? Imitima ikeneye urukundo nyakuri. Imitima?
Hearts.
One heart. One?
No.
Umutima. Ikeneye? Need. Urukundo.
For some people's hearts need true love.
Urukundo nyakuri. Inshuti nyakuri. What does that mean?
True friends.
True friend. Umubyeyi nyakuri.
True
parent, okay. Rubabarira byose. Love. Rubabarira byose.
Love forgives everything.
Rukihangana. Kwihangana, remember, rukihangana. To be
forgiving.
Patient. Kwihangana. Ntirugire ishari. Oh, that person has ishari. Jealousy. Love doesn't envy or jealousy. Kwihimbaza is to boast in yourself, to feel like because you are more than other people. Okay, guys, mwamaze kumva ibisobanuro tugiye kuririmba. Okay, Dani is going to sing. You sing alto this time. I'm gonna sing tenor. Ready? Your loudest. 1, 2, 4. Mugira umutima ubabarira, Uhoraho azabishimira. Abaca imanza ntibababarire, ntibafite kamere y'Imana. Kuko Imana ihorana urukundo, imbabazi no kugira neza. One more time. Mugira umutima ubabarira, Uhoraho azabishimira. Abaca imanza ntibababarire, ntibafite kamere y'Imana. Kuko Imana ihorana urukundo, imbabazi no kugira neza. Imitima ishari nirwihimbaze rubabarira byose rukihangana nirugire ishari nirwihimbaze imitima ikeneye urukundo nyakuri imitima ikeneye urukundo nyakuri rubabarira byose rukihangana ntirugire ishari nirwihimbaze rubabarira byose rukihangana ntirugire ishari nirwihimbaze. Amen. God bless you. Ni koko imitima ikeneye urukundo nyakuri. Imana iduhe kugira urukundo nyakuri, tureke ishari, tureke kwirarira, tureke kutihangana, twige kubabarira, byose tubikore neza. Okay, tell them the fruits of the spirit. Imbuto z'umwuka ni
love,
urukundo, umunezero,
peace,
amahoro,
patience,
kwihangana,
kindness,
kugira neza,
goodness,
kugira imbabazi no kugira neza,
faithfulness,
kwizerwa,
gentleness,
kuba neza, kugira
self-control.
no kumenya self-control. What is it in Kinyarwanda? Kwikontrola, mbese ukamenya kwirinda niko nabyita. Murakoze cyane, Imana ibamugisha. Destiny afite imyaka 10 n'umwe note na rimwe. Debbie afite imyaka 10. Dani Ichenda. Tell them thank you in my language. It's many people, not u. Murakoze. Bye bye.